In front of me is a HUAWEI P30, and I will show you how to reset network settings. So we'll start off by going into settings and then go all the way down into system. And from here we have reset and network settings reset. So tap on that and tap on reset network settings. And if you have a pattern set as like I do, you will have to confirm it by drawing it. And then you can tap again, reset network settings, and confirm it. And as you saw, network settings have been reset, and basically everything is now reset. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.